Love the clothes you wear. Love the clothes you wear. I love the broken crown, the one you stole from the king and held for ransom.
Bit of sheepage on our ride. Back in a minute.
Love the broken crown. Love it. Love the golden cat, yeah. Love the golden cat. I love the velvet hat, you know, the one that caused a revolution.
Okay, I'm not sure you can hear me because it's very windy. We're doing a bit of cross-country riding. You can see the wind in the field though. So I'll bring you back in a minute and talk to you when it's a bit more sheltered. I'll bring you back in a minute. I'm shielding the camera, it's so windy. Nevertheless, we're doing it. Okay, so we're not going that way anyway. We're going that way up there.
The one that you keep in your bedroom. Love the golden cat, yeah. Love the golden cat. I love the velvet hat, you know, the one that caused a revolution.
Okay, it's not as windy here. Give me a sec. Just navigating some wet patches, never mind. So, a wooded area. Bring it back in a minute. Okay, we're in a wooded area. Bit of trees going on there.
Love the way you talk. Love the way you walk. Walk on.
I think we're going that way over there. I'm not sure, I think so. Going across another field. I think we're going to come to Hansel Park in a minute. Sheep hit so bloody windy though. And I've run up, sorry, quite slow going actually. It's quite hilly around here and there's a lot of sheep everywhere. And the sheep just generally lying around dossing, as you can see. Down here before. I'm not going to do it today because it goes across fields, but it's a public bridleway back to Bradville, I think. So I think, well, it's not so windy, we'll give it a try. Here we are at Castlethorpe on a short ride today, probably about 10 miles, but cross country and very windy. Castlethorpe Church, I forget what it's called now. I'll remember in a minute. Okay, so really solid, chocolate biscuit, tea, and I'm on the Chameleon. Digestive biscuit, dipped in tea. Absolutely lovely. just on the nature reserve now, just outside Wolverton. Just having a ride around, nothing to do. Waiting to go to Spain on Sunday. Trying to get my leg up to speed.
You're dirty, sweet, and you're my girl. Give it on, bang a gong. Give it on, give it on, bang a gong. Give it on. When you're in the wild, you got the blues in your shoes and the star kittens. You windy and wild out, yeah. When you're built like a car, you've got a hubcap, diamond star halo. You're dirty, sweet, and you're my girl.
Famous iron trunk. Basically the canal is going over the river. And that's for the horses to get through.